Let's explore how to keep your Node Package Manager, or NPM, packages up to date. Managing dependencies is crucial for maintaining a stable and secure project. Here we will learn the best practices for updating NPM packages. To begin, let's check for outdated packages. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Then, type the command npm-outdated and press Enter. This command will analyze your project's dependencies and list any packages that have newer versions available. Now let's understand the output of the npm-outdated command. The output is structured in columns. The first column, labeled Package, displays the name of the package. Current shows the version of the package you currently have installed. Wanted indicates the latest version that satisfies the version range specified in your package.json file. Latest displays the most recent version of the package available in the npm registry. And location shows where the package is installed in your Node modules directory. For example, here the current version of Express installed is 4.17.1, while the wanted and latest versions are 4.18.2. Similarly, the current version of Node.js installed is 4.17.20, while the wanted and latest versions are 4.17.21. To update all your packages to the latest versions that satisfy the version ranges specified in your package.json file, use the command npm-update. This command updates all outdated packages in your project. Keep in mind that this command only updates to versions within the ranges specified in your package.json file. If you want to update a specific package, use the command npm-update, followed by the package name. For example, to update Express, type npm-update Express and press Enter. This updates only the Express package to the latest version that satisfies the version range specified in your package.json file. To install the absolute latest version of a package, regardless of the version range in your package.json file, use the npm install command with the @latest tag. For example, to install the latest version of Express, type npm install Express @latest and press Enter. This command installs the newest version of Express and updates your package.json file to reflect this version. Be cautious when using this command, as it might introduce breaking changes if the new version has significant updates. The npm-check-updates tool provides a more comprehensive way to update dependencies, including updating the version numbers in your package.json file. First, install it globally by running the command npm install globally npm-check-updates. Once installed, you can check for updates by simply typing q in your terminal. To automatically update your package.json file with the latest versions, use the command nqu. This command modifies your package.json file to use the newest versions, making it easier to then run npm install and update your packages. Here are a couple of best practices to follow when updating npm packages. First, always test your application thoroughly after updating packages to ensure that everything is working as expected. Updates can sometimes introduce unexpected issues or break existing functionality. Second, before updating a package, take the time to read the changelogs or release notes. This helps you understand what has changed in the new version and if there are any potential breaking changes that might affect your application. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.